Can you hear me, bro? And now it's better. Now you can hear me better, isn't it? Ah, perfect. Second. We drink some water. Great. Hello, hello. How are you doing? So you are on air out USD. Villanelle, you found out that level. That was you been talking about, isn't it? So you have this level. You have another breakoff structure here. It was happened here, but I'm gonna put there so everyone can see it. Just there, isn't it? Yeah. This one you're talking about. Yeah, but look at this. That's where people sometimes get trapped on it, because now it's look good because the candles already form it, but after that sweep happen, probably that candle open, push and high, taps on the rejection block and that drops. So you don't have the confirmation to get in here. Makes sense? Now, if you don't have that wick here, and the market shows us the breakout structure, and if that taps, that's a valid. Yeah, but happens, yeah. But I'm not gonna trust because I don't have any confirmation. That's the only thing. So I'm still looking for that level here. I really looked it. I really do. And let's see something. Continue to push down to that decay level. That can be the valid entry because you have the 4-hour rejection block. Oh. You have liquidity build. You have the strong high being created that swept that liquidity, all of this. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, I get the swap of that level, amazing. Now you have a range, a start of the range. You just need to confirm the other range because that liquidity has been taken out. That was it was expected before the push and high. So after that happens, you can target that levels and a possible this one, but you're gonna target that one first. That was I'm looking for. Yep. Let's see if you can grab the continuation. Is gonna be, it's already tapped. Probably for the continuation to the K level, and you still have liquidity above just to continue to go down. So if he don't create a reversal here, that's level I'm interested in. But if you create a reversal here, like another push, another low, and break, at that level I'm not interested. I'm interested to buy from this. Now if you don't have a reversal, just a retracement, that's the level I'm interested in to continue go down to that K level. Is the daily K level. Yeah. Makes sense. Euro USD I think taps on the K level. Yeah. Twice already. Nice. Was the K level. Nice tap. Nice tap on the K level as well on the daily time frame. With a nice swap of liquidity. Nice swap of liquidity. Nice displacement. If the reversal happen, what time frame should happen? On AU, as he swept that liquidity, if he got, to be honest, I'm not sure if he's gonna got the reversal. But if he got the reversal, at least 30 minutes, we should see a reversal. You can also you can use the 15, but look these 15 minutes candles. It doesn't look much to me, so I need to see a clear structure. And to be more clear, I have to be on a bit higher time frames than lower. And on EU, still ranging. Let's see what you can do here as well. Let's see gold. What's gold doing? Just massive drops. I will focus on AU today. Yeah. I'm gonna focus on AU today. Where is the? It's there. Let's see if you have any daily. Yeah, it's just on the daily order block. Perfect. Perfect. So you have a hello Bacon. It build a community inside of the website, so you are free to check and subscribe if you want. There will be share the consistency wall, the weekly market outlook, because the last few weeks it posts the consistency wall, and Discord's been don't load the image, so inside to build that inside on a website. So if you go to the website, you're gonna see on the top community. You just click there. It's a plan, have to be a plan, but it's free plan, so you can just subscribe and you get there. Yeah. The weekly outlook is gonna be there. You get some moves. You got some moves. There we go. Let's see. Euro USD should push as well. Yeah. You as well. Gee, was just just exactly there. At the internal range liquidity. Very close. Take them out. Very close. Focus on EU. They swept. Actually, they swept. Look that move. Actually, a good move, isn't it? You guys subscribe on the giveaway already. Nice. Alright. You will try to make that bigger. Let's see how they respond, because you're gonna be probably you're gonna have some deals with FX5. Let's see why they do and what they want to do. Let's see if we can grab a big accounts as well. Let's see. They just react from the breaker. The 1 hour breaker. I stop. But I believe he can go a bit higher. Many lines already. Don't talk about something, guys. There we go again. Yeah, that's the problem of the breakers. That levels, yeah, that's the problem of that. Is the stop loss is going to be higher, or the stop loss should be there, so it's not going to happen to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait because I want to see after he get a reaction from that level, exactly that level here. After he get a reaction, he shall get a reversal on the 30 on the 50 minutes, because the 50 minutes going to be valid for me at this time because he reacts a higher time frame level. So only after the reversal here, that's let's say the market on the 50 minutes is going to create something like that, drops that I can trade from this level, and my stop loss can be above this high. That's the only way I trade breaker blocks, because this is too big for me, so I'm never gonna do that. No way. I prefer don't take a trade than use a stop loss of 20 pips. So yeah. But you can't put your stop loss there. It's up to you. I'm not doing that because it doesn't make any sense. It's gonna take me like how long to be in profit or to take a or you stop me out. So that's the only reason. Some breakers is this 50 minutes is quite messy because we have our rejection block there. 30 minutes still not do much. Let's see if you can get it. Let's see. If you want to ask anything, guys, feel free to do. Yeah, NQ at this time, yeah. NQ. And big moves on NQ is a lot of money. Yeah. Another push. Let's see if he can do now. Nice one, nice one. Nice reaction, isn't it? And the 4-hour breaker. Yeah. Ridiculous. Very nice. This is on the 1 hour, but the breaker is on the 4 hour. It's just tap once. Yeah. But for me to get in, anyways, I need to see a structure here. I don't jump on this 4-hour breaker with where I'm gonna put my stop loss. Just there, so it doesn't make sense. I can use the 10 pip stop loss only, and yeah, it should be great as well. 10 pip stop loss will be good and runs almost 1-to-1, so trade risk free already. Target the K level at least for 1 to 3.8, something like that. Yeah, but lower more than 10 pips I'm not gonna do it, so yeah. You got it. Any of you take that? Any of you take it? And yeah, yeah, I done it. Under 50 minutes, yeah, that looks very weird. That, yeah, it it doesn't look like anything for me. So even under 50 minutes, where is the structure? This, I don't know. Yeah, happens, guys, happens. Yeah, that's one something I really interested in. I just was looking for something closer to get the continuation because I believe for the market to push here should create some structure here so they can continue trading the range. So range, high, low, another high, another low, then another high and another low. Yeah. Let's see Euro USD. How they going? Smooth. Nice reaction. Also. Hey, you keep going down. Look this guy. Look this shit. It's been a long time I don't take a big one like that. 1 to 20. Been a long time. It's not something that happens all the time. So 1 to 20 is quite big. But that was the trade for the month. The trade for the month. If I take that, I'm done. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. Just that. So this is good because he found the entry point now. It's already happened. So, but you know how this goes. How this goes. It's called a turtle soup. So you have because the turtle soup is just an entry point without a POI. That's all. What turtle soup means. And you actually have the POI, but they not react them. Yeah, he don't react them. Get in after that, yeah, that's possible, but not for me. gonna make me my stop loss very big, and I don't like it. So I like the way I do with the precision. I catch sometimes, sometimes not, and that's okay. I'm happy with that. But as I always say, and I'm still not doing, guys, just for you to know, because I I'm really follow all my rules in my entry points. Sometimes when I remember, I put like a pip below, something like that. Sometimes not. It depends. As this it was GU, it doesn't have much spread, so I wasn't thinking, okay, that should be the level you can get it, and this was like best to get into that trade. It should get the target very soon. He already banked profits and still a little runner. But yeah, actually was the 30 minutes IPA that tops on that. That was that little thing here. Just that. And that was nice because some people already get in here and see that that's how we call a fake break of structure, because it doesn't swap liquidity. They left liquidity just for that exactly happen. So after that nice move, people put stop loss at break even, then get stop out. And that stop out should be the candle that get me in. So I'm not talk to GU anymore for the rest of the month. I'm very mad. Look that. But that's the thing. So yeah, he was right on the direction in all the setup, but yeah, he missed it for a pip and a half. Sometimes I should say that, but I will say sometimes hurts more this than take a loss. Yeah, this quite hurts a lot. Yeah, see that thing happen in front of your eyes. And yeah, what I can do now. You too, I have to take my kids from school as well, so yeah. See you all tomorrow. Look, 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 look. The 4 hour breaker block. Just a tap. Just a little tap. Nice precision. So that's why I say the opportunities always be around. I don't trade that way because I don't trade with more than 10 pips. I'm not risk that trade here because you have that beautiful rejection block. I don't do that way because look, that it doesn't make sense for me, but it doesn't mean it's not valid. Okay, I'll take this trade at least 10 pips I will use, and yeah, that showed is running good, 1 to 2 already, but I don't take it because not the way I do it, so no point for me to get in. That's all. Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's done. We are done. I will take my kid from school now. And yeah, that was, looks like that was the opportunity to jump in and at least target that K level. You're welcome, bro. Thank you guys, and see you later.